from there you draw the arc. A as a center, take the compass, A as a center. Okay, I will call this as P. Okay, this point as P. A dash to P, okay, as a radius, then you draw an arc in opposite side, okay, upside.
Yes.
Okay, but I don't have the locus of B. Sorry, I don't have locus of B dash. That I need to find out. He has given one more data. What? Front view makes 55 degree.
55 degrees.
Okay, front. Where is the front view? Here. So from this point, draw a line at an angle of 55 degree. Where this line and this arc meets, that will be your
Cross.
locus of
B.
B.
B dash.
Locus of B dash. Okay, that is next. Then, so you got the B dash, and we know that we know that one condition, end projector line will be the line joining B dash and B will be straight. That condition we know, right? Means
Yes.
to check your problem right or wrong, B dash should be straight line. That line is called as end projector line. Okay, this distance is called as end projector. This projector line is end projector line. So we got the B dash. How you got this arc and this front view where they meet? That will be B dash, and the locus of this line will be locus of B dash. Then what you need to do? From here, draw a straight line. Okay, see this down arrow. He has given, right? See this arrow marks. So draw the straight line. You have the locus of B. You already got the locus of B. So when this line meets here, okay, then join, that is your B. Join A and B. That is your true top view. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what? We need to find out this one. Okay. Now what you need to do? See here. True length will be projected and rotated. And this,
Rotated.
okay. In both the case, in front view or top view, true length will be projected and rotated, whereas apparent length will be rotated and projected. So what you need to do to get this B1 dash B1 dash point? So take A as a center, A as a center, A to B as a radius. See the cursor movement. A to B. Okay, this will be your radius. Take A as a center, A to B as a radius, rotate till locus of A, not up to here, up to here,
To look.
up to locus of A, not up to locus of A dash. Getting my point? Okay,
Yes.
A as a center, A to B as a radius, rotate, draw an arc up to when this arc line meets locus of A. Okay, from this point, draw vertical line. Okay,
Yes.
from this point, draw vertical line. When it meets the B dash, locus of B dash, that point is called as a locus of
B1.
B1 dash. So you have, now you got the B1 dash, you have the
Yes.
A dash, join it. Okay, join it. That is called, that is a true length. Then measure alpha, measure, what is this? Theta, na?
That's B dash from top view line to
Beta. Theta, theta and beta, right? You need to find out theta and beta. Clear?
yes.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Hitesh, Shivam, Hasib.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, you will get the choice in planes and lines. Okay.
Lines. Yes, sir.
Okay. You will get the, there is an option between lines and planes. Okay. Lines is line, it will take very less time compared to planes. Okay. If you feel that solution, you can solve the lines. Okay. You go for line only. Okay. It will take less time compared to plane. It is left to you. Whichever the, okay, whichever solution you know 100%, that question you attempt. Okay, don't solve half solution. Clear? See that
Yes,
front view and top view, sorry, front view and top view line is there, no? That should be dark, thicker line. Apparent length should be, apparent length line should be thicker, and at the last you need to write answer, whatever what he has asked, find the inclinations. Okay, right, whatever you got. Okay, I will go to the next problem. Okay, here also same, he will give some conditions, some parameters he will give. This problem is not there. This is what is this problem? Some light problem will be there. It is not there for your syllabus. Maybe you will get this solution. You try it. See, I will share the solutions, and you have the primer right with you people. And also I will solve that. I will share that VTube primer on lines. Okay. You try different kinds. Don't solve different same problems. Okay. Try different combination of problems. Okay. You try different combination of problems. If you have any doubts, we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Say yes or no.
yes, sir.
See this problem. Top view of 75 mm long line CD measures 50. Okay. Then end C is in HP and 50 mm in front of VP. End D is 15 mm in front of VP. In means on XY line. Okay. In means end C is in HP. In HP means it will be on XY line. In VP means it will be on XY line. In means on the XY line. You need to start from the XY line. See here. You can see here. And here left side he has given the steps also. I will not read out. I will share you. You try this problem also. You try different combination of problems. At least minimum some 10 to 15 problems you try. Different types of problems. Okay. Any other queries you have? Hello. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
No, sir.
No, sir.
In this one, what about the planes, solids, and isometric? Are you comfortable?
Sir, isometric.
Isometric ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸು, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Sir.
Okay, if time permits, let me finish syllabus once. Okay, then we will start revision. I don't mind to revise the entire syllabus. Okay, we will start revision. Still, your working days extended to June 15, I think. I think you got the information. Till May 31st was the time. By that time, we need to complete the syllabus. Now they have given another 2 weeks. So today the lines problem is completed. In the next class, I will take developments. Okay, Wednesday we will discuss developments. After that, we will start revision.
Yes.
If I want to start the revision, then you need to practice the problems. Okay, then only when you solve the problems, then only you will get the doubts. Okay, those doubts, those queries we will discuss in the revision class. It is not possible to discuss entire syllabus in the revision class. Okay, so that's why you practice. Okay, chapter by chapter. Oh, you discuss among yourself. Revision from which chapter will start revision. Okay, you don't mix the problems. You don't mix the chapters. You people discuss among yourself. Okay, you take the line chapter, solve the problems, make okay. If you have queries in the line chapter, we'll discuss those queries on that day. In the next class, okay, you all of you practice planes problems. If you have any queries, those queries we will address in the all we will discuss in the next class. Okay, chapter by chapter we will do the discussion. Not don't mix it. Okay, one student will ask solution query in solids, other ask in lines, one more will ask in isometrics. So like that,
You
don't mix
only
it.
inform the chapters, sir, which we have to practice. Let's we do practice, then we get
Okay,
a
so
doubt.
what I will do? So let me finish in the Wednesday. Let me finish development problems. Okay,
Yes, sir.
after
Next
finishing that,
Saturday onwards, you give the concepts like chapters.
okay,
We practice that
okay.
chapters.
From next Saturday onwards, we will start with the lines only. We will start
Yes,
with
sir.
the
If I ask in group, no, sir, no one will respond, sir.
okay. See, am very disappointed. Hardly out among 30 students, only 5 or 6 students are attending. I don't know. Don't take it for granted. Nobody will pass. Okay, no university, no teacher, no one will you push you. Okay, that's why I'm asking people. Don't you are technical students. Don't make reasons. Okay,
Yes,
sir, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು.
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ 35 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು
ತ್ರೀ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. CAMD ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. When you come in third and fourth semester, you need to study CAMD. If you don't know CAD, ಅಲ್ಲಿ CAMD ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. There are n number of resources are there. Somehow you have to study. Okay, ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. So don't make reasons. You are coming from you joined this course to study, to make career in engineering. So your aim is you need to study. There is no other option. Okay.
Yes.
For us also there was a difficulties.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ನೀವು.
I am the only teacher who started teaching CAD from the day one. Okay, after that others started. Okay. So ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. CAD ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, it is not like a theory subject where you mug and write. It's not like that. You have to understand the concept. Okay, chalo. Next class we'll do the what is that? Development,
sir.
Okay, after that 2 classes, lines and planes. We'll do the revision. After doing the revision, I will take test on only lines and planes. Okay, chapter by chapter I will take test. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, take care. Good day. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.